Today I'm sharing my banana pancake recipe, and believe it or not, it only contains one ingredient. And it doesn't take a genius to realise that the one ingredient must be bananas. Hi, Catherine here from greenthickies.com, and I help busy people to reach their ideal body weight in the most nutritionally sound way imaginable while avoiding hunger by making and eating fast, healthy, delicious food on the go. After having a baby, I had piled on 5 dress sizes and I was no longer able to follow time-consuming diets as I literally had no spare time or energy. This is what led me to inventing the Green Thickie recipe, which is a complete meal green smoothie that provides all of your nutritional needs. When you drink this for breakfast, and potentially also for lunch, you will satisfy your sweet tooth, reduce cravings and eliminate hunger, while dramatically increasing your energy levels. By drinking Green Thickies, I quickly dropped the weight and had enough energy to enjoy looking after my baby. I've also helped thousands of people turn over a new leaf and reach their ideal weight in the healthiest way possible by making this simple change in their diet. Best of all, it's long lasting. I've been drinking Green Thickies every day for over 7 years now, and I feel better than ever. If you want to get started by making your first Green Thickie recipe, you can get my free recipe card at greenthickies.com/basic or click the link below. All of my recipes are made using easy to find ingredients that you can get locally. Now that we've been introduced, let's get to the content. Most pancake recipes contain disease-promoting, unhealthy ingredients that will leave you feeling tired and sluggish. But not these pancakes. There is only pure goodness in these pancakes, and they'll leave you feeling energized for the rest of the day. In a second, I'm going to be giving you my one ingredient banana pancake recipe, which is so simple you won't be able to resist whipping up a batch right away. Banana pancake recipe, only one ingredient. Here is the ingredient for my one ingredient banana pancake recipe. Ingredients: 5 bananas. That's it. Instructions: peel all the bananas and chop them all very finely.
Stretching upwards, aiming high, touching palms that touch the sky. Give it your all, drop your control.
Use your hands to shape them into banana shapes on a dehydrator sheet or non-stick baking sheet.
Set off the spark, you forgot about. For what it's worth, go on, scream and shout. Give it your all, drop your control. Don't you for a second think of anything at all. Keep your eyes on.
Dehydrate them for 12 to 16 hours at 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius. Or bake them in the oven at the lowest setting to preserve the nutrients. Or if you don't want to wait, bake them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or which is 120 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. They are ready to serve when you can peel them off the dehydrator sheet without breaking them. Either serve them straight away or wrap them in plastic wrap or freeze them. Add more sliced bananas or other fruit to them and drizzle them with my 1-minute salted caramel sauce. I'll leave the recipe for that below. Top with some shredded coconut. These pancakes keep their consistency because the bananas are diced rather than blended or mashed. I got this idea from shinewithnature.com, and I thank Tiasha because the idea is absolutely genius. These pancakes are also portable. I was never a fan of normal banana pancakes as they were too leathery, but I really enjoy these ones, and I know I have food that will last for a good few days if I go away, will be small enough to pack and won't go brown and bruised within half an hour like bananas do. please follow me on Instagram at Green Thickies. I share some great information and inspirational posts on there to help you learn more about nutrition and be inspired to take action every day. You can also find Green Thickies on Pinterest and Facebook. And don't forget, all of the full posts, including printable recipes, can be found on the website greenthickies.com. And from here, you can also check out the special offers in the Green Thickies store. Until next time, make it green, make it thick, making healthy habits stick. Lots of leafy love.